Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know how frustrating it is when you're playing a game and suddenly your character starts moving on its own, or the camera begins spinning like crazy? It completely ruins the fun, right? Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix that joystick axis issue on your gamepad. Most gamepads come with two types of joysticks: potentiometer, also called analog, and Hall effect joysticks. This issue usually appears with potentiometer joysticks since they are cheaper and work using variable resistors to detect movement. Because of this physical contact inside, their durability is often reduced over time. Now here's how you can fix it. First, open your web browser and search for Online Gamepad Tester. Click on the first link that appears. Then, rotate both the left and right joysticks of your gamepad. Check the axis values for both joysticks. When the sticks are at rest, the values should be 0. If they are not, your gamepad needs a hard reset. In my case, I'm using a RedGear gamepad, which has a reset button on the back. Look for a small hole similar to the SIM tray eject hole on your phone. Insert a pin into that hole and press gently. That's it. Your gamepad has been reset. Now go back to the online tester and check the joystick axis again. It should now be centered perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your gamepad joystick issue. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your gameplay. Bye.